How to install a Garland thermocouple. A thermocouple will conduct an electric current when it reaches an equilibrium temperature. They have a low cost, easy installation, and no maintenance. It is also easier to install a Garland thermocouple than other types of thermocouples because it is designed to be installed by one person. Here are the steps to install a Garland thermocouple. Step 1. Based on the size and mounting design of the old thermocouple, choose the new one. Step 2. Commercial thermocouples are interchangeable and come in sizes between 18 and 48 inches. Step 3. Remove the outdated thermocouple. Step 4. Unscrew the old thermocouple from the back of the appliance. Step 5. The new thermocouple should be taken out of its box and unrolled into the proper shape. Step 6. Connect the gas valve and the new thermocouple to the pilot assembly and tighten it with a wrench. Step 7. Restart the furnace and check to see if the pilot continues to burn.